Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. I just purchased the new S23 Ultra from Samsung. This is the phone, and of course, because it is such a nice phone and they have so much glass, I needed to get a case. And when I originally purchased it, I actually got the phone through Amazon. I purchased this Samsung case as a just to get me, and I put my own little pop sockety on the back, but just to get me until I could get a couple cases to try. This is the first case I have purchased. This is CaseBorne, their Armadillo Tech, and this is made in the USA out of Frisco, Texas. This company was established 2018 and has excellent reviews on Amazon, so I wanted to try this. This is what it looks like. They do provide a 1-year premium warranty. You just have to register it on their website. And sorry, it is made in China, but it is designed in Texas. So apologies for messing that up. But this is their website if you want to check them out. ArmadilloTek.com. You can purchase through them. And these are also available on Amazon, which is where I got this one. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And I'm going to see what I think. I believe I ordered this in purple. That was my plan. I thought about getting the black. They have a couple colors, but all right, we're going in with a pry bar. So if you're unfamiliar with me, I do live on a farm, hence the Opinionated Horsewoman. Oh, this is so pretty. So I need something quite rugged. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Now, I could have ordered my phone in purple. I did not, but this looks outstanding. So let's see. Thank you for your business. Formerly Armadillo Tech. This is called CaseBorne. Okay. Legendary protection. This talks about installation video. All right. GetCaseBorne.com. So we're going to hang on to these so that we understand the concept of how to install it. 100% satisfaction. They're out of Dallas, Texas. Okay. Let's see what this is. Sorry, opening it out of, oh, there's a little thank you note. How nice is this? Howdy, thank you so much for your business. We're a proud small business from Frisco, Texas. Your satisfaction is the most important thing to us. If you have any problems or questions with our case, please don't return it. Text us first at this phone number. We guarantee that we'll get it fixed at our best. Product reviews are more important to us. If you like our product, please share your experience by writing a review. Thank you for supporting this small business, Carl. That's very nice. You know, honestly, small businesses don't do that enough. So, all right, this looks pretty easy. Let's look at these instructions again. Is there anything else I got to worry about? Nope, that's it. All right. This looks pretty easy. I don't think there is a, let's see, separate front casing from rear casing. Okay. That is so cool. Look at this, you guys. This is, I'm just looking at this right now. It's a really nice foam padding in here. And this is going to be your kickstand. So let's try that out without it. That looks really nice. Clicks in really nice. Okay. Here's for the rockers for the volume, your power button. It's got great cutouts. This looks nice. Okay, so it's got a cover to prevent your charging port. There's for your S Pen. That's really nice. So now I need to figure out separate front casing from rear. Okay, well, you guys, here's the problem when you have fingernails. When you're a woman with fingernails, this becomes a problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and try to get this off without embarrassing myself. So hang on a second. Okay, you guys, it really wasn't as hard as I was afraid it was going to be, but pretty super easy. This is not like the hardest in the world, so it was really easy. It is pretty rigid, so that's really nice. All right, so the instructions told us to separate that, and we did. So you install the front frame to the phone. That goes on really nice. Snapped right in. Seems to be staying right on there. Okay. Then insert the phone into the back cover. Well, that seems easy. Honestly, this looks really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to go at it from top to bottom. Oop, you know what I'm doing? I'm popping that off. There we go. Yeah, just says to push down in there. So there we go. Not as hard as I'm making it out to be. You guys, honestly, I'm just super careful. These phones have so much glass on them now. There's like almost no bezel to them. It's pretty scary. So that went in easier than I thought. So there's the cover for the charging port. That's really nice. So here it is. That works really well. It handles the weight of the phone. Works great to the side as well. You can see I just got a nice snaps in. I got to just, looks like kind of massage the sides together. There's my screensaver. Well, this looks really nice, you guys. So as I was mentioning, I am a horse person. I do live on a farm. I'm just getting these sides. There we go. Edges are all cleaned up and square. I didn't quite have them on there. But I need a case to really protect this. I like the feel of this. I like the color. I do like this. It's got a really nice, satisfying click. It does stay out really well. Honestly, that's impressive. So that's what it looks like if you want to see it from the underside. So I just pop down, snap that in. S Pen port looks really good, properly lined up. Again, there's the charging port cover. Just pop that in. Really nice. Leaves the speaker available. Hole for the microphones looks good. Nicely raised up for the camera, so a lot of good protection on the camera, which is excellent. All right. That works really well. I have a pin lock on mine. Okay, you guys, thanks so much. Like I said, I really want to try this. I'm pretty excited about this. This feels really nice. Feels good in the hand. This is a really large phone for a woman, but there's a good feel to it. I think I can go ahead and actually utilize the kickstand as almost like a pop socket type experience to really help get a solid feel on this. But you guys, the grip feels really good on it. I like how that snaps in. It's not slippery at all. There's a little bit of these raised, you hear them? Raised edges here that really help you get a good grip. So thank you guys so much for the unboxing video, watching it with me. Again, I am sorry for bumping that. Here's the company. It's CaseBorne. That is where you're going to find them on Amazon. I will put the link down below. You guys, they have these available in all the new Samsung. They have this is the S23 Ultra. They have it for the S23 Plus and the S23 as well. So if you are looking for a case similar to this and you want to try it, I will put the link down below for all three products. This is how it's going to look. Again, out of Frisco, Texas. These are, apologize guys, they are made in China, but they were designed in Texas. I like the feel of how this company is promoting themselves. I really like the thank you note. I mean, honestly, how many companies are going to write you a thank you note? This came right in the case, in the box with the case. So clearly everybody's going to get one of those when they get this product. So I'm really happy to support small businesses. So yeah, I think this is a win. I just can't wait to use it and see how it feels. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you guys familiar with CaseBorne? I know they've been producing cases for a while. Obviously, it did say it was since 2018. Again, here's the view. Let me know your thoughts, guys. I appreciate your time. Have a great one, y'all. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.